Hi, welcome to the new video. Today we will understand what is logistics and logistics management, along with modes of transport. Logistics is a fundamental component of supply chain management that involves the planning, implementation, and control of the efficient flow and storage of goods, services, and information from the point of origin to the point of consumption. It encompasses a wide range of activities and functions aimed at ensuring that products are delivered to customers or end users in a timely manner while optimizing costs and meeting service requirements. Key elements of logistics. Transportation management. This includes selecting appropriate transportation modes, such as road, rail, sea, or air, based on factors like cost, transit time, and cargo type. Routing shipments efficiently to minimize distance and transit time. Managing carrier relationships and negotiating freight rates. Warehousing and distribution. This includes designing and managing warehouse facilities to optimize storage space and facilitate efficient movement of goods. Implementing effective inventory management practices to ensure accurate stock levels and minimize carrying costs. Organizing distribution networks to facilitate timely delivery to customers. Inventory management. This includes optimizing inventory levels to balance supply and demand, minimizing excess stock, which ties up capital, while ensuring sufficient stock to meet customer orders. Implementing inventory control measures such as ABC analysis, economic order quantity, EOQ, and safety stock management. Order processing and fulfillment. It includes processing customer orders accurately and efficiently, including order entry, picking, packing, and shipping. Implementing technology solutions like warehouse management systems, WMS, and order management systems, OMS, to streamline order fulfillment processes. Supply chain coordination. It includes collaborating with suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers to ensure seamless flow of goods and information across the supply chain. Sharing real-time data and visibility to optimize inventory levels and respond quickly to changes in demand. Now, let's explore logistics management. Logistics management is the strategic process of planning, coordinating, and optimizing logistics activities within a supply chain to achieve operational efficiency and meet customer demands effectively. It involves overseeing the entire logistics process, from procurement of raw materials to delivery of finished products, with the goal of minimizing costs and maximizing service levels. Modes of transport in logistics. Transportation is a critical element of logistics that involves the movement of goods and materials from one location to another within a supply chain. Different modes of transport are chosen based on factors such as cost, speed, distance, nature of goods, and geographic considerations. Primarily, modes of transport can be classified in 6 categories as follows. Let's check out one by one. Road transport. Trucking. Road transport via trucks is widely used for short and medium-distance shipments. Trucks offer flexibility in reaching remote locations and can accommodate various types of cargo, from perishable goods to oversized equipment. Courier and parcel services. For small packages and express deliveries, courier and parcel services provide fast and reliable transportation. Rail transport. Rail freight. Rail transport is efficient for long-distance haulage of bulk goods and commodities. It is often used for transporting raw materials, minerals, and heavy machinery. Intermodal transportation, combining rail with other modes, e.g., trucking for first and last-mile delivery, offers a cost-effective and environmentally friendly logistics solution. Maritime transport. Container shipping. Maritime transport, especially container shipping, is essential for international trade. Containers can carry a wide range of goods and are loaded onto ships for long-distance transportation between ports. Bulk carriers, ships designed to transport bulk commodities such as coal, grain, ores, and petroleum products. Air transport. Air freight. Air transport is the fastest mode for long-distance shipments and is commonly used for time-sensitive goods such as perishables, pharmaceuticals, and high-value products. Express delivery services. Companies like FedEx, UPS, and DHL provide air freight services for urgent deliveries across the globe. Pipeline transport. Liquid and gas pipelines. Pipeline transport is specialized for transporting liquids, crude oil, petroleum products, and gases, natural gas, over long distances. Pipelines are efficient and cost-effective for continuous flow transportation. Waterway transport. Inland waterways, rivers, canals, and lakes are used for transporting goods via barges and boats, particularly for bulk commodities and heavy cargo. Coastal shipping, transporting goods along coastal routes using ships or barges. Choosing the right mode of transport. The selection of the appropriate mode of transport depends on several factors. Distance. Short distances may favor road transport, while long distances often utilize rail, maritime, or air transport. Speed. Urgent shipments require faster modes like air transport, while less time-sensitive shipments may use slower modes like sea or rail. Cost. Cost considerations include transportation rates, fuel prices, tolls, and handling fees associated with each mode. Nature of goods. Fragile, perishable, or hazardous goods require specialized transport conditions and packaging. Geographic considerations. Terrain, weather conditions, and accessibility of routes influence the choice of transport mode. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into logistics, supply chain management, and business operations.